Most people pack the standard swimsuit and sunscreen, but completely miss the weird, non-obvious items that are absolute game changers for life on board the ship. In this video, we are going over 5 absolute must-have items you need to pack for your next cruise, with the last item cruise lines probably wish you wouldn't bring. Magnetic hooks. Most walls and surfaces in your cabin room are metal. You can easily add these hooks virtually anywhere for extra space to hang your personal items. These tiny hooks are strong and barely takes any extra room in your luggage. They are especially helpful to allow your towel to dry quicker in humid conditions by hanging right by the air conditioner vents. Also allows the towel to hang freely and not brush against the dusty bathroom walls. Motion sensor lights. These are great, especially when traveling with children or seniors. With a magnetic backing, these can also hang on most surfaces in your cabin room. Simply switch to auto to activate the motion setting. Easily adjust the color temperature and brightness with a click of a button. These lights will activate in complete darkness. You can place a couple all around the cabin, especially by the bathroom, to easily light a path in the middle of the night. Insulated water bottle. Sure, food is technically available 24/7 while you're on the ship, but depending on where your cabin is located, it may be a walk to the nearest beverage station. Thirsty or need to take medication? Having the convenience of hot or cold water easily accessible inside your cabin is key. Who wants to walk 15 minutes in the middle of the night for a cup of water? Multi-plug outlet adapter. Outlets are hard to come by in a cruise cabin. Just one charger adapter block with multiple outputs replaces your phone chargers, tablet charger, and even your laptop charger. Make sure to get a single 2-prong adapter that has a max charge rate of at least 65 watts, which will be fast enough to charge standard laptops as well. Just be sure to pair it with a high-quality, high-wattage cable too. Nice and small and easy to pack. Ziploc bags. Easily bring a snack with you on your onshore excursion. And don't forget, disembarking on the last day is usually scheduled early in the morning. Unless you plan to wake at 6 in the morning to have enough time to sit and eat, simply grab a few quick bites and store for the road. There you go, 5 absolute must-have items you need to pack for your next cruise. Thanks for watching.